Riding the rain, blood around Lake Gorge. See right RDC robot cars from Port Clinton, Pennsylvania to Jim Thorpe. Port Clinton, Pennsylvania to Jim Thorpe. This is your co-conductor, Kyle Shu of Wall Clinton, Pennsylvania. All aboard on any Morris and then right on Scenic Road, Arena Road. We're in Jim Thorpe, fine destination. Any more show under the rain blowing on the road. You know, robot cars. Jim Thorpe we're in. Here we see 91, 9168 here. 9166. Jim Thorpe. Our fine destination for a 3-hour half hourly work today. Jim Thorpe. Central New Jersey Rail Station, Leo Gorge, Scenic Railway, and my friend Darren's Mom McGuire's restaurant and pub, Jim Thorpe. Jim Thorpe, Switzerland, America, Jim Thorpe. Thank you very much. This is your co-conductor, Kyle Shu. Saying goodbye and so long as I take a walk in Jim Thorpe. Thank you for Tom Kniff, my friend.
Bridge. The bridge in its current form is over 160 feet high and over 1,000 feet long. The Little Schuylkill River, now just a stream, will be directly below our train. To the left in the distance, you can see the Nyford Creek Dam. As we go over the bridge, feel free to take all the damn pictures you wish. Oh boy, who writes this stuff? I'll tell you what. To give you a little history of the hometown High Bridge, the first incarnation was completed in 1870 when this line was first built. It was made entirely of wooden timbers. The threat of fire caused by the hot coals and sparks from steam locomotives was a constant problem. To safeguard against this, 2 watchmen were employed to inspect the bridge following the passage of every train. Interestingly, the wooden structure was built in such a way that any piece of timber could be removed and repaired without having to stop train traffic from crossing the bridge. In 1896, the wooden bridge was replaced by a steel structure, and in 1931, the Phoenix Bridge Company rebuilt the bridge into its current form. During World War I, the bridge was guarded by soldiers against trespassers and intruders. During World War II, security guards provided by the railroad watched the bridge around the clock. The last time the bridge was guarded in such a manner was during the 1948 presidential campaign of Harry S. Truman. Truman traveled over this bridge as part of a 30,000-mile presidential tour across 28 states, giving over 350 speeches from the platform of his private rail car, the Ferdinand Magellan.
And that, my folks, was the Hometown High Bridge. Hometown High Bridge on the rain, Blue Mountain Road, anymore, steel component of it. There you go, Secret Road, Hometown High Bridge, 168 feet high. Thank you very much. Cash you. Bye. This is your co-conductor, Mr. Kyle Shu, on Rainer Road. There you go, Secret Railway. Tamaqua, coming up to Tamaqua. Tamaqua, Pennsylvania. Tamaqua, on Rainer Road, Tamaqua. Main crossing Tamaqua, Coven crossing to Tamaqua. Main crossing Tamaqua. And our running card, RC Rebel cars. Main crossing Tamaqua, and radar main line. Crossing Tamaqua. There's Tom Kniff there. My buddy Tom's ready to ride. Tamaqua train station. Tamaqua train station. John Ross's restaurant. Hey, John Ross. Main crossing downtown Tamaqua. Main crossing our office there. Main crossing Tamaqua. Main crossing Tamaqua. St. Luke's. Tamaqua. Crossing Tamaqua. You just watch this video. We are live passing Tamaqua on the Rain anymore. My friend anymore CEO founder Rain Early Gorge and Growway. On the Gorge and Growway. Tamaqua. It's past Tamaqua. Now in Tamaqua Yard. Tamaqua Train Yard. Now in Tamaqua Train Yard. Thank you very much. This is your host, Mr. Kyle Shu. Your co-connector. Just pick up speed on the already RDC Rebel cars. 9168, 9168, and 9166. I go to the co-regions here to get to Parkland, back then to Reading, but to Parkland to us. The rank for the end of the line. They return to pastures. So for us, Parkland today. Parkland, thank you so much. Take care, Kyle Shu. And always, goodbye.